What is up, petrolheads? And I want to welcome you guys to the Petrolhead YouTube channel, where all we do is talk about cars. And right beside me today we have the 2017 Toyota Passo, which is also known as a rebadged Daihatsu Boon. And you're going to dive deep into this car and look at all the good that comes with it, all the bad, and even things that you do not know about the Toyota Passo. Keep it locked and stay tuned. The Toyota Passo is a compact, fuel-efficient city car which is liked by most taxi drivers in the Kenyan market, and this is because of its fuel efficiency. The Toyota Passo can give you fuel efficiency of up to 28 kilometers per liter, which is really efficient, and it boasts a simple yet appealing design with a spacious interior considering its small footprint. The Passo comes in different trims, including the standard X, XS and the sportier Passo Moda, which each of the trims offers distinct features and styling options. Toyota acquired the Daihatsu company, and there are some collaborations that were being done between Toyota and Daihatsu even before Toyota acquired Daihatsu, and they were sharing parts like the engines. And you'll find that the 1KR engine in the Toyota Passo is also the same engine that you'll find in many Toyota Vitz, and you'll also find it in Toyota Belters. And this has made these vehicles to be really reliable because they use and share parts with each other. The 2017 Toyota Passo is powered by a 1-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers efficient performance tailored for urban commuting, combined with a CVT transmission for smooth, responsive driving. Toyota equipped this model with the Smart Assist 2 system, which uses a front-facing camera and a radar sensor to provide essential safety features like collision avoidance assistance. This system can detect obstacles or vehicles ahead, alerting the driver and applying automatic braking if necessary to help prevent accidents. Additionally, the radar technology supports lane departure warnings, adding an extra layer of safety for drivers. This blend of efficient engineering and advanced safety features makes the Passo ideal choice for city dwellers looking for reliability and peace of mind. On the side profile of the 2017 Toyota Passo, you find that this car comes with size 14 wheels as standard, and these wheels are very small, and inside the suspension the wheels are suspended by McPherson struts at the front, and at the back we also have coil springs with some dampers that help to keep the car stable. And this vehicle, you can also upgrade the tire such that you get size 15 wheels that can fit there, and you can also upgrade the suspension. That way you get even a bigger ground clearance, because as standard, and as you guys can see, this vehicle does not have a very big ground clearance, and it is being used by most taxi owners. And what the taxi owners do is that they take this car and they upgrade the wheels, and also they upgrade the suspension, because the taxi in Kenya are allowed to carry up to 4 adult passengers. And when you carry 4 adult passengers in such a car with the standard configuration that it comes with, the car will squat so much. But the taxi drivers, they upgrade the suspension of this car, and they also upgrade the tires to get bigger tires. That way it can withstand that amount of weight. With that being said, guys, let's jump into the boot of the 2017 Toyota Passo. The 2017 Toyota Passo offers a practical boot space of approximately 225 liters. This is quite small, but it is ample for a compact city car in its class, and this space can comfortably accommodate daily essentials like grocery, small luggage, or even a stroller, making it versatile for city errands. And the rear seats also have a split folding configuration, allowing for flexible expansion of the cargo area when transporting larger items. Although it's compact, the Passo maximizes its interior design to provide adequate room for both passengers and cargo, appealing to those who need an efficient yet functional small car for urban driving. And there is an opening right here, and down here we get a spare tire, which is a really good thing. Not all the variants of the Toyota Passos come with a spare tire. So if you want to purchase this car, guys, come specifically to Impact Motors in Kiambu Road, or call the number down below on your screen. That way you can get this variant of the Toyota Passo that comes with a spare tire. Other variants of the Toyota Passo come with a tire repair kit and a tire compressor, which I would not advise if you're buying it from the Kenyan market. And so guys, with that being said, acha tuone vile interior inakaa. Let's look at the interior of the Toyota Passo. The front interior of the 2017 Toyota Passo is designed with simplicity and functionality in mind. Though it features basic materials including some very cheap plastic trims, the layout is straightforward and user-friendly with easy-to-reach controls that enhance the driver's experience. The Passo comes equipped with convenient features such as a start-stop button for keyless ignition, adding a touch of modernity. It also includes idling stop function, which helps save fuel by automatically switching off the engine during stops, and a traction control system for improved handling on slippery surfaces. Safety is further bolstered with a collision assist, a system designed to detect potential obstacles and apply brakes to avoid accidents. The seats are comfortable for city drives, offering moderate support, while the infotainment system is a basic system and provides essential functions like radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and a touchscreen, which is available in only some trims. This interior setup makes the Passo a practical for everyday commuting while offering some useful modern conveniences. There's surprisingly a big amount of space, and the seating height is kinda high compared to their competitors like the Toyota Vitz, the Nissan March, and the likes. And another thing that I figured out inside this interior is that there is a lot of plastics. This being a budget car, you expect it having a lot of plastics. And you know, the headroom that I get as I'm seated here is quite ample, and there is plenty of legroom. And you know, I don't feel like I'm driving a mini hatchback. You know, there is that feeling that you get when you get into a car like a Mazda Demio and all that. But when I'm in the Toyota Passo, the 2017 variant, I feel like I'm kind of higher, and the car has a lot of room. And it also has a surprisingly good cup holders that you just press and it magically appears. And if you compare this car with the previous variant of the Toyota Passo, it is really good, and it has been done well compared to the previous variant. The back seats of the Toyota Passo are still as comfortable as the front seats, and I like the fact that the back seats also carry the aspect of space behind here. If you want to purchase this car, come specifically to Impact Motors or call the number down below on your screen. And with that being said, guys, drop down the car that you want to see us review next, and keep it locked and stay tuned. Wait for another video.